What's good, people? What's good? 2020. So today we are going to make something interesting. We're going to make a makeup area. Yes, a makeup area, and we are going to use a tire and a bucket. So I'm starting with this tire over here, which measures 2 feet. The tire measures 2 feet, and this piece of board is 26. 2 piece, I added 2 inches more, and I have 2 pieces. This one is complete, and this one here has a hole inside. Has this hole because I want this area to be a storage area. Okay, yes. So I'll be drilling this. This one is 26. Inches. Yeah, so I'm going to drill this on top and this piece at the bottom. So guys, I'm done drilling. I'm going to measure all around. I don't have a tape measure. I have this. Okay, I don't have the tape measure. I have this measuring tape, if that makes sense. So I'll be measuring from this screw going all around up to here like this, so that I get to know the amount of material I need to cut. Yeah, so I have done that off camera already. And I just wanted to tell you before I start cutting the fabric. So I'll put this aside. It's light, by the way. It's not that heavy. And I'm going to use this fabric. Which blue is this? Is it turquoise blue? Yeah, I'm going to use this fabric. It's a kind of velvet fabric. Velvet. So, and also, I'll be measuring from here to here, the height of here to here. But on this side, I'll bring it up to here because I want it to go in here. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, I want it to come up to in here, the fabric. So once I measure from here to here, I'll need to bring it more deeper to this size. I don't know if you understand. So from here to here is 8.5. From here to here is 5.5 plus 5.5. Actually, not when I take it deeper like this, it's 7.5. So 7.5 plus 8.5. That's 16, right? So I'll be cutting my fabric, this fabric, at 16 inches. 16 inches, and going that way, I'm supposed to cut it at 82 inches. But I'll add like No, I just do it exact 82 so that when you come, I just dress it like so. You will see that. But let's mark this and cut the fabric first. So it's 16, but I'll cut like 17 because we need like 1 meter to go underneath the tire so that we can what can we do so that we can be able to step on it. So let me do my calculation before cutting the fabric so that I won't mess up with it, because I also need the same fabric for the bucket, so I must be careful over here. So I have decided I'm going to have a joint because I need to be I don't want to go back to the shop to buy another fabric, so I need to be sure about this fabric. So I'm cutting at 18. It's better to have more fabric than less whenever you want to, when I want to step on it. Yeah. Okay, so guys, I have my 2 pieces. I have cut them already, and I'm going to use this lining. This is a polyester. I guess this is polyester lining. I'm going to use it. You can use cotton as well, whichever you have. You can use that one. So I'm going to cut the same measurement as this fabric. So I'll just place it on top like this. What I'm going to do on both this lining and the fabric is I'm going to join them like this. Then I measure the 82 inches according to the size of my tire. So I'll be joining them like this. Then I measure the size of my tire the 82 inches which I want, then cut the remaining piece off. So what next is this one here. We are going to use a half an inch. This is half an inch, not 1 inch. We're going to use a half an inch form, and I guess this is more than the 82 inches you want. So let me cut it the same size, the size which I want, which is 82 inches. 82 inches. Then I will come and explain to you guys. Here is my piece of foam, and as I told you, the receipt, it's so long, it's enough. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this underneath like that. Then my foam in between, I have decided to cut the same measurement. And my fabric on top. This is just to show you that I'll be showing you as I stitch. Okay, so you see, this is going to be at the bottom, at the middle foam, at the top our fabric. And I'm going to stitch lines. I'm just going to stitch lines which measure 2 inches apart, like 2 inches, 2 inches, 2 inches, 2 inches, 2 inches, like that. And I'm not going to draw some lines because my machine will guide me. My machine has some measurements, so it will guide me with the 2 inches, 2 inches, 2 inches. But if your machine doesn't have that, you can just go ahead and draw some lines. It's not a lot of work. You can just decide to do like this because this is the one which you want to the fabric is the one which will be on top, and it's the one that you need to have accurate lines. You just do this. It's not a lot of work. Just mark your 2 inches everywhere. Draw a straight line. Use a ruler though. Draw a straight line like that. Then just go ahead. You just go through with the machine, with the sewing machine. It will also be an easy work. Yeah, so guys, I'm going to do that on this tire. Let me bring it here. Whatever I have done here, I'm going to do it on this tire, and also I'm going to do the same thing on my bucket, on the bucket which I want to use, but I'll show you as well. Okay, but that's it. So let's go to the sewing machine. Hey guys, it's the next day. Can you see me? Okay, I'm here. Yes, so where we left, I was going to stitch this, and as you can see, I showed you how it was stitching, and this is how it looks. So beautiful. I love how it turned out. Yeah, so pretty. And this is the joint. This is where I joined. Yeah, so I stitched this for the tire, and since you're going to work with 2 pieces, and a bucket, and this for the bucket. Yeah, so I stitched those 2, and now we're going to continue and finish this video right away. So here is our tire where we left, and I'm going to use these pieces of box to cover it like this, then use the material to cover it. So I'll start by this first. I'll start by the piece of box. I have folded it like this for it to be easy to put, and I'm going to use my hot glue. So guys, I am done putting it all around. So the next step is putting the box that is all around. The next step is putting this, and I'm finger crossing for it to fit. Guys, I have this lining over here. I just hand stitch it for the bottom part, for the inner part that is. I'm doing this because I want this table to have a storage like. Yes, so I'll be using a hot glue to just stick it like this. Then after that I'll go ahead with my needle because I want it to be as neat as the way this is. Yeah, so I'll go ahead with the hand needle and stitch all this area, but I'll just show you how to use this. I'll just show you the way I'm going to use this. Then after that, the hand stitching, I'll just do it off camera because I'll be doing it slowly, not in a hurry. So guys, as this was drying, you see I have spray painted it. As it was drying, I was stitching this here, you see, and it looks so good. Yeah, this is how it looks in. So I have this piece of wood which I'm going to add on top here, and I'm going to use my wallpaper, this, to cover here. And I have these screws here in here. I'll be using them to screw to hold this, okay? I'll place this on the top. It looks like this on this side, so I'm placing this on top. See that? Can you see that, guys? So guys, that's how it looks. This was the whole idea. Someone can sit here And I'm going to make a bucket, which is an ottoman, which will be down here. You can sit and do your makeup. But this one here on top, you can place your things here, and you can just freeze this and have some things in here and cover it like this. And if we have a mirror over here, it will be a perfect match for this, and it will be a complete makeup station or a dressing. Yeah, it's a makeup station. Yeah, or a side bed makeup station, a side bed table plus a makeup station. Yeah, so guys, let's go ahead to work on the bucket. Our next project is this bucket. This bucket, actually, let me show you. Okay, I was about to work on it. This is a bucket from a previous project. I just removed the sponge on top here. Yeah, but this is how it looks, and I wanted to have this. Okay, I wanted to have this 2-inch sponge on top. So I'll be adding this gold strap at the bottom here, down here. So I'll be using it to reduce the size of the foam, which I'm going to cover up here, which I have marked already, and this is the size which I need to reduce. And I'll be using this contact glue to attach it here. It's going to be like this. You see, we have this space down here, which I'll add this when I'm done. I'll also add a piece of fabric down here which matches the one on top here. Okay. So guys, I also have this stitched the same way like the tire one. So I'm going to dress it in this bucket. I have added 1 inch, 1 inch, 2 inch, that is, and on top we have 2 inch. I hope you have enjoyed watching the video. You have learned something. So remember to like the video, subscribe if you haven't, share to your family and friends, and leave a sweet comment down below. And remember, you can get this kind of makeup station or this kind of furniture made in wood. If you are interested, you can call the numbers at the end of your screen. Yeah, it's available on our workshop and in any color of your choice. And also, if you are interested with this DIY, you can hit me up on my Instagram page. Yeah, so thank you so much. See you on the next one.